supposed to leave Cancun Sunday morning, but our flight got canceled, so we decided to go to the Seadust Resort, where we stayed 3 months ago with our kids. So earlier in the day, we ended up paying $800 to book another flight so that we could fly home the next day. We knew we needed to get another COVID test because the one we took previously had expired. So we had our taxi bring us to a nearby COVID location that was located in the hotel zone of Cancun.
Okay, your payment method is with credit card or cash?
Credit card.
My name Mueve.
And then how does the COVID testing work?
The COVID test is in that side. The guys are here to the 7 a.m. to the 1 p.m. It's on that side.
They're gone. Oh, the battery gone.
Okay, so do I have to register with you?
I give you with her, okay?
Okay.